Hey everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel. Here we are diving into nitty gritty details of pool plumbing and some awesome outdoor upgrades. First up, let's talk about plumbing connections. Well, it's all about making sure water flows smoothly in and out of your pool. We will show you how to set up the internal and external pump plumbing connections to keep your pool running like a dream. Next on our list is the filtration system. Think of it as the unsung hero of your pool. It keeps the water clean and clear so you can enjoy a refreshing swim whenever you want. We will walk you through the installation process step by step. But wait, there is more. We are also adding some cool water features to take your pool to the next level. We will show you how to bring these features to life and add a touch of luxury to your backyard oasis. Now let's fire up the grill. We are building a foundation and structure for a barbecue area right next to the pool. Imagine sizzling sticks and mouth-watering burgers cooking up while you relax in the sunshine. We will guide you through building the perfect barbecue setup, complete with grill, countertops, and storage units for all your cooking essentials. So whether you are a DIY enthusiastic or just looking to spruce up your outdoor space, we have got all the tips and tricks you need to make your backyard the ultimate hangout spot. Thanks for tuning in and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you next video.